Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I am going to show you how to make embedded info channels on Discord. So first, what you'd want to do is pick a channel of your choice. So I'm going to pick this one, which is the levels channel right here. Once you pick the channel that you want to put the embed into, go click on this gear icon of that particular channel and go to integrations. As you can see, there are webhooks here, so I've already created one. This is the one that I've created, and for you to create one, just click on new webhook. As you can see, there will be a new webhook here. But for this, I will use this one. So you can change the name and also the image right here. And once you're done with that, just click on copy webhook URL. Once you're done with copying it, go to Google and search for this Codebook. So once you're there, click on this first link. As you can see, you'll see all of this stuff. So this is where you will put your information, or the information it will put. And on the right side is the preview. So if just clear it all so you can have a fresh start. So once you're done with that, paste the webhook URL just like so. And now for the content, it's up to you. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put hello everybody, just like so. And now you could also change your profile right here. So your username or avatar URL. For the avatar URL, just search for a picture on Google or something, and you'll need to copy that image address by right clicking on it and click on copy image address, just like so, and paste it in here. So as you can see, the picture is now on the right side. Once you're done with that, now we will go to the embed. So right here, click on add embed. For the first one, you could go to like the author, body, or title. Just say title. And there, as you can see, it is already here on the preview. For description, just say description. And you could also change the colors, just like so. If I want like a light blue color, this, as you can see, the color changed here. And for the banner, we'll need to add another embed so that it would look more aesthetic, since it's not just on one block here. So it's separated, so it will look better. Now once you're here on the embed 2, go click on images, just like so. And for the image URL, as you can see here, go to Discord first, and on here upload your picture that you want to put on the Codebook. So this is the picture that I will use, and I will click on copy image, go back to this Codebook and paste the image here, or the image URL. Wait, copy this again. I mean, copy link. There you go. After you copy the link, paste it here. As you can see, the link is here already, and let's just change the color here on the body. Go here, paste it here. So as you can see, it's the same. And I suggest that you put the banner on top of the title and description, but you can do that with just click on this button, the move up button. As you can see, there it is. So you could add a description longer so it would look better or something. You could also add a link like here, right? Message link, or add another embed. For the body title, just put on semicolon link. As you can see, there's a link emoji or icon there, so just so that it would look better. Also change the color a bit, as just like so. Once you're done with that, if you're satisfied with it, you just need to click on send. As you can see, it is already here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.